In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and allocate a credit note to an invoice. To get started, open the business menu and go to Invoices. This is where you can view your invoice activity and manage outstanding balances. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for the Awaiting Payment tab. This area shows invoices that still have an amount due, so it's the right place to begin if you want to apply available credit to reduce or clear a balance. If you already know which credit note you want to use, you can also open that existing credit note directly instead of searching through the invoice list. After opening the correct credit note, look for the Credit Note Options menu. This menu gives you actions related to that credit note, including the option to apply it to an unpaid invoice. From there, click Allocate Credit. This opens the allocation screen, where you can decide exactly how much of the available credit should be used. On the allocation screen, enter the amount of credit you want to apply against the open invoice. Be careful here and make sure the amount is correct before continuing. In most cases, you'll want to match the amount to part or all of the invoice balance depending on how much credit is available and how you want the account to be adjusted. If the credit note is larger than the invoice, you may only need to allocate a portion of it. If it's smaller, the remaining invoice balance will stay outstanding after the credit is applied. Once you've entered the amount, click Allocate Credit to confirm. This finalizes the action and applies the selected credit against the invoice. After that, the invoice balance should update automatically to reflect the new amount due, or show as fully paid if the full balance was covered. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review both the credit note and the invoice before confirming the allocation. That helps avoid applying the wrong amount or selecting the wrong transaction, especially if you're managing several open invoices at once. And that's it. That's how to find a credit note and allocate it to an invoice quickly and accurately.